Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone. Open hairstyle for engagement. Today's in this video, I am sharing you open hairstyle. There are a number of ways to achieve to open hair bridal look, and here are some of the best one you could consider. An open hairstyle would be perfect for your pre and post wedding functions, which are extremely comfortable and easy to handle. We have gathered beautiful open bridal hairstyle to option for wedding festivity. I hope this video definitely helped you. If you like this video and if you enjoy this video, so don't forget to subscribe and share and like this video. And comment below which types your hairstyle is your favorite. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next one.